Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the tool and input. Open your recorder app and select the microphone source you intend to use. Once done, check gain and aim for peaks near -6 decibels so you keep headroom without noise. Make sure to set a sensible file name pattern like project name date version so saving is painless later. Press record and speak naturally. Monitor the meters and pause if clipping appears. You're already saving time by organizing before you finish the first take. You'll now clean and prepare the audio for export. Remove obvious silence and apply gentle noise reduction to keep the voice natural. Once edited, choose the right export format. WAV preserves full quality while MP3 shrinks size. Pick 192 to 320 kbps for spoken audio. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match your project needs, typically 44, 1 kHz and 16-bit, or 48 kHz and 24-bit for video. Then, choose your file name and export location before clicking export so everything saves correctly. You finish by verifying the exported file plays correctly. Open it in a media player and skim the whole track to confirm timing and quality. Once confirmed, back up the file to cloud storage or an external drive so you don't lose work. Maintain at least one redundant copy. If playback is distorted or missing, re-export in a different format, check disk space and folder permissions, or revert to the last project save and export again. This completes the easy save workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.